All right, here we are and with a special Cat's Adventures. We had quite an event the other night. Tell them what happened, Cat.
We had a terrible storm and this is what happened. Gigantic branch fell into our backyard.
So don't know if you can see it. Just had huge branches fall in our backyard. Nice storm coming. And we apparently forgot to tie down the trampoline, and it is now over in our creek. Alright, so we've got the trampoline out of the creek. It was over there. We got that out of the creek, and now we have it tied down to the deck. And I guess in good news, we now have more firewood.
That it definitely did here, and I will back up some. Hopefully the light won't get too horrible and you will be able to see what happened. Yep, there's Lucy. So you can see Catherine is standing on top of the top part of the branch that fell out of the tree. So I'm going to pan over this way and walk this way. Sorry about the light glare of the sun, but here is the rest of it, and there is the end that broke. So maybe if I go this way a little bit, yeah, you can kind of see what was going on with it. Mom in the background down there, she's actually breaking up some of it. Her and Catherine decided to break up some of the branches and stuff while I was at work today. So that's what we got. Let me see if I can get into the shade so I can aim this camera up to where the actual branch is that it broke off of. Alright, hopefully you'll be able to see this. If I go up the tree, up there, I don't know if you'll be able to see it real good. Maybe I can do something with it on the video so you can see it. But that's kind of what happened over here. Not had a branch this big fall around us. Also tossed our trampoline into the creek beside our house, which was very interesting.
And turn around, Dad. It's right behind you.
I know it's right behind me.
Turn around.
Oh, maybe I don't want to turn around. You turn around.
No.
Alright. So anyway, just a quick special Cat's Adventures. Having quite an adventure just in our backyard trying to take care of this. So that's it for now.
Bye.
See you next time. What are you doing, Lulu? What's in there? What's in there, Lulu? What's in there, Lulu? You gonna get it? You gonna get it? What's going on? Lulu, what you got? What's in there?
Let's see where